Right then guys, in today's vlog we are getting a boat tour around James Bond Island. I think there's 5 islands, 5 stops, maybe 3 stops. I don't know, we'll find out together anyway, maybe. If you're new to the channel, I'm Ross. Kate's here.
Feeling hot.
We're Kross Travel, we do tourist things and holiday destinations, so if you do like the channel, do like and subscribe down there, it's all free, and ding the notification bell. But it's time for another boat trip. So the tour is operated by Leader Andaman, and as you can see, they do put on a small breakfast buffet here as well, with some orange juice, some water, some bread, toast, biscuits, etc. So yeah, if you just want to have a light breakfast, wait till you get here, help yourself. So there are 5 stops. First one is Penac Island, then up to James Bond Island, then on to the Fisherman's Village, then back down to Hun Island, and then the final stop at Naka Island, and then back into the pier.
She's a roller coaster, oh she's a flame. I'm burning up inside, but I can feel no pain. I won't try.
I don't know if you can see that, but there is tons of jellyfish in the water here. I don't think I'll be having a swim today.
Stop her, she can't be tamed. I'm so in love with her, I fall and try again. Get up and try again. No, I ain't giving you up, no. I'm giving you up, no. I ain't giving you up, no. Oh, giving you up, no. I ain't giving you up, no. Giving you up, no. I ain't giving you up, no. Love the way we are together. Like, can't we always stay this way? And how I wanna build my whole world with you and no one else. And how our love will make us so much better. And there will be no more lonely nights. Baby, if you let me try, I give you what you want. Girl, I'll take you where you go blind. You say that I'm just wasting my time. You say
Just a short stop to see the monkey. I've said it before in the vlog, say it again, do not touch or feed the monkeys, they bite. Right, moving on to the second stop, which is James Bond Island. Why is it called James Bond Island? So is it just to get people in, do you think? Sure you're spending like not long there, are you? You're not spending long there, are you?
Spending long?
Yeah.
I don't know.
to handle and full of doubts. Say that I should give you up. I'm someone better, but baby you're not. She's a roller coaster, oh she's a flame. I'm burning up inside, but I can feel no pain. I won't try to stop her, she can't be tamed. I'm so
Right, we're now on James Bond Island, so let's have a look around, see what's here. This is where The Man with the Golden Gun was filmed, I believe. Was that one, wasn't it? Was it Roger Moore? I think it was Roger Moore.
Like a light, lighting up in the dark. You make it right, I forgot how to act. It's so classic. Every time you make me nervous and I lose my words. It's been a while since I forgot the most simple words. I feel calm when you're around, like nothing can break me.
I haven't got a clue what's going to be up these stairs, but let's take a look anyway. So that was the famous beach from the man with the golden gun. Oh my god, these are a bit steep. Be careful, babe. You alright? So up them steps you get a viewpoint a bit lower and then right to the top for another viewpoint of the big rock, as I'm going to call it. I think that's about it from James Bond Island. On to the next stop.
Now I know why it never worked out before. Hello, it would always.
So stop number 3 on the James Bond Island tour is the Muslim floating village. We're stopping here for lunch. We're going to get a drink as well and just explore and see what it's like. But it looks really cool. Let's take a look at this.
Now bad, so bad. But every time we start a fight, we always stop in time. We both know how to be gentle, never cross the line.
Buffet lunch included. Nice. And it's starting to rain. Hope it's cold rain. It's not all clean, tidy and beautiful in Thailand, is it? Oh, these are cool though. Hmm? Oh yeah. I've got to say, it's interesting how they've managed to build this village on the sea, but it's a bit of a dump, isn't it? I mean, that looks nice. There's nice elements to it, but
live in their shops.
But I'm just not all that impressed.
Really?
There's nice bits, but most of it's just a bit of a dump.
Sometimes, but I know we're safe.
I don't know what we're complaining about in England. That's bloody rain. Soaking. Take a look. Take a look at this. Insane. I've never hung on him for canoeing. I don't know how this is going to work. Limbs in the water. No, I'm joking. Right, we're in a canoe.
Quite people. Big one.
I've got so like it at all. Oh my god. Oh my god.
So you like it?
I'm so like this. I'm really not sure about this. We're not going to tip over, right?
Yeah.
Oh, is that better?
Yeah.
Okay. Right, I believe you. Nice and calm. I'm not sure about getting out. I'm really not sure how getting out is going to go. But this is quite relaxing, really. I'm used to it now, it's nice.
Let here outside. Yeah, here outside.
Oh, it's like spin round.
We had it good.
Like this?
Yeah.
No jellyfish, no?
Yo, Thailand, sorry. I know, no license. I put some working with them. Sorry.
No jellyfish here?
Sometimes.
Sometimes, okay, great.
Not today.
No, hopefully not today, yeah. Oh, it's starting to rain again. Oh well, you can't control the weather, can you? Oh, it's so relaxing. What are they looking at? Crabs? Trying. Where?
Where? Look at the big one.
Oh. Oh, don't know if you can make the crabs out there, but.
Yeah, alright, no problem.
Wow. Oof.
Oh my god.
Amazing. Just there, that rock looks like a turtle.
Yeah, head and head.
Yeah, see the head, shell. That's cool. How did you enjoy that, darling?
The top off.
Good, yeah.
It was, wasn't it? I really enjoyed it. It was great.
Yeah.
To get on the
Yeah,
as bad as I thought.
No,
Easier getting off than on.
Once you're on, it's actually quite relaxing as well, wasn't it? But yeah, it was good. I'd recommend it. So there's also a beautiful beach bar up here, Lucky's Beach Bar. Let's take a look around. It's proper what you'd expect from like an island like this. This is the art to see. Yes! They've got them! Cocktails in coconut. Some having a pina colada and a coconut, definitely.
It's not in a coconut.
What?
Oh, it is.
Yeah, it is.
Mine's in a pineapple.
Yeah, it is in a coconut.
Yeah, mine's in a pineapple.
Right, what are you having then?
My tie.
Mai Tai and a pineapple for Kate as well. Amazing.
Margarita.
We're all having cocktails. Oh, it's a beach party. Let's go. Yay!
Get a little bit of salad with it.
Would you like to try Kross cake?
I've got one.
Is it nice?
Yeah, it's delicious.
Oh, here's mine. Thank you.
Thank you.
Look at that. Doesn't look much like a pina colada.
Ollie's on.
Let's try it though.
Ollie's on. If you like pina colada.
Oh, that's a good pina colada. That is nice.
Oh my god.
Oh, it's beautiful.
And you like pina colada?
That's really nice.
It is,
I
isn't
don't
it?
like pina colada.
That's amazing. Oh,
Oh my god, that's
Put it back down.
well nice.
holiday made. Got a pina colada and a coconut. Amazing. you know what, I think this is the perfect place to wrap up this vlog.
Holidays made.
Holidays absolutely made. Absolutely. Pina colada and a coconut. Mai Tai and a pineapple. What more could you ask for? The trip was with Leader Andaman if you want to book it. It's a really good trip. Obviously you can't control the weather. Bit of a slight downer on the day.
Bit of a dampener.
Bit of a dampener, yeah, see what you did there. Good one. But overall, really good trip, really good experience. The canoes and here at, I can't remember what the beach is called now. Nakai, was it? I can't remember. I've already mentioned the name of this island anyway. So, you know. But yeah, if you did like the video, click like and subscribe down there. It's absolutely free. Follow us on Facebook. Ding the notification bell and go and get your Kross travel merch in the merch store down there. See you next week. Bye bye.